Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily translate images in Canva. So if you got an image with text like this, you can easily translate it using an app on Canva, and this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just prepare your image, and then here you can just go to apps, and in here you can just search for the apps. I'm going to just write translate as the keyword. Okay, this one, actually image translator. Click on the app. Okay, so you can easily translate photos into 130 languages in seconds. What you need to do is just prepare an image using PNG or JPG formats. Let's just hit on open. Okay, so here what you need to do is choose the file. Okay, so I'm going to delete this first and choose the file again. Okay, this one you can tap on open, and here, because the source language in English, I'm going to change the target language, for example, into Bahasa Indonesia here, and then you can just tap on translate. So just wait until this image translator. Okay, so now it's done. You can see now the image has been translated into Bahasa Indonesia, which I chose before. Now you can just click on add to design, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below.